Hey, Christian here. Thanks for dropping in and watching my presentation. Listen, I'm looking for 5 people to invest $1,000 in my business in exchange for 10% of the revenue in 2016 and beyond. I'm launching a new project in January, and I want you to be a part of it, and I want you to share in on the revenue that we're going to make in 2016. Every month, I'm going to send you your payment. Um, this is really exciting. Um, it's all about team building and network marketing, and I'm going to share with you the details very shortly. I just want to give a little bit of background on my story, where I came from. I've been marketing online since 2009, and I really got serious with it in 2012. In 2013, I joined a network marketing company. I focused most of my attention and time on that, trying to build a team. And I managed to get 6 signups, which is not bad, not good. The, the average network marketer gets 2 to 3 signups. 97% of network marketers fail in this industry. 3% go on to make $5,000 to $100,000 a month. Um, those are the rare cases. Those that really succeed show their leadership skills, and they're able to develop a team and get their team to duplicate their results. So I thought that since network marketers are struggling, and there's 100 million network marketers in the world, so I'm creating an app for network marketers to help them build their team. Just 1% of 100 million users would be 1 million users using my app. That's pretty good. You can imagine the revenue from 1 million users. So I thought about this long and hard, and the features that it would need in order to help them communicate with their team, work with their team, and that this would also work with prospects. They could share their app with their prospects. They would be in their team, and they would see how they act with their team, how they communicate with their team, the training that they offer. So I'm just going to get right into it and share the details with you of the app. I'm just going to share my screen now. So I call it the Team Builder Dream App, making it easy for network marketers to build their team. The first tab would be My Profile. Once a user downloads the app and registers with their email address and password, they would go into My Profile, they would upload their photo, they would enter their name, their phone number, their email might be already populated, the company that they represent, and the link to the opportunity, so that if someone wants to sign up with them, they just go and click on the link in My Profile. My Sponsor, same idea as My Profile. It's just what shows up to team members, My Sponsor details. So you would have the photo, the name, the phone number, the email, the company, and the link to the opportunity so that they could sign up with it. My Team, it would list all team members and the ability to message one or all of them. My Messages, it would list all active messages, so you could keep communicating here, or if you want, you go back to My Team and you communicate in this feature. My Training would show all sponsors' YouTube training videos, and it would show all of the downloads training videos you have for your team, so that you can add more or delete some, but basically have all the training videos here listed in one place. My Forum, so you would write the subject, description. This could be a link to an article you found interesting on the internet and you want to share it with your team. You would put it in here. Or your blog post, you would share your blog post with your team here. You would write the subject, and in the description, you would write a short description of what your blog post is, your title, and a link to your blog post. My BizOps. So you'd have some network marketers are involved in more than one business opportunity. Some are in 2 or 3. So they could list all of their business opportunities here and have people in their team sign up with them in different business opportunities. So you would have a link to all BizOps and the ability to add more or delete some. The cost for the app is $5,000, which is why I'm seeking 5 investors of $1,000. The app itself would cost $1,500 to develop. It would be for Android and Apple. And I'm currently working with 2 app developers, one in not working with, but in communication with, one in Ukraine and one in Egypt. Because if you were to get this done in Canada or in the US, the cost would actually be more like $3,000 or $4,000 to get an app developed. So I always outsource my work. I outsource my work on Upwork.com. I get websites done, I get graphics done, I get videos done there. The website would cost $500 to develop. The website is just, the homepage would have a sales video, probably a 2 or 3 minute video that I would pay $50 to get done. And it would list the features of the app so that people know what it is before they download it. Then there would be a link to download for Android and a link to download for Apple. There'd be a login feature on the top right-hand corner. You would log in to the website and it would be as if you were in your app on your phone, but if you're near a computer, it's much easier to use the features of the app in a web-based application versus using them using it on your phone if you don't have to. Advertising, I'm going to spend $2,500 for Facebook app installs to get about 7,000 users, and a magazine ad in a network marketing magazine for $500. The revenue model, in-app display advertising. So advertisers usually pay 30 to 50 cents per click. This would be revenue that would be generated for us, and the ads would display in the free app. And there would also be another version of the app, which would be a paid app, and there would be no display advertising. This app would cost 99 cents. Revenue projections in 6 months is about $10,000 per month if we have 500,000 users. So 10,000 per month, you're getting 10% share of the revenue. So you would get $1,000 a month from this. So you invest $1,000 and within 6 months, you're already getting $1,000 back from the revenue from the app. The next interesting part, the next income stream that I've put into this project is the promotion of affiliate products. Product creators create products, usually training or software or a combination of both. And there's usually 2 to 3 product launches per day on the internet. And product creators, they don't pay for advertising to advertise their product. They get affiliates to promote their product for them. Usually people with email lists, and some have really large email lists. And let's say we have 10,000 users, and I would send an email a day to the list of 10,000 users promoting one affiliate product per day, and we would earn 50% commission. Sometimes it's as high as 70% commission or even 100% commission, but most of the time it's 50% commission. So the products range in price from $37 right up to $297. So we would earn a 50% commission on that. And if we have 10,000 users, we would forecast about $10,000 a month in revenue. So you would get 10% of 10,000, which is $1,000. Here's where it gets really interesting. If we're up to 500,000 users, like I forecast that we will be come June, then that would mean $500,000 a month in revenue just by promoting affiliate products. And 10% of that for you is $50,000. Now, let's be conservative here and let's cut that number in half and say we only get 250,000 users. Well, your cut would be $25,000 for 1 month. I mean, what would that do for you and your family? What would you do? You'd go on vacation, you'd do those renovations, that much needed renovations that you've been thinking about. You'd buy a new car with $25,000. So really, I'm asking for $1,000 investment, but I could charge as much as $10,000 for this and it would still be worth it for you. But I'm not looking to profit from you. I'm looking to cover the costs of the app. So we're going to profit from the users who are going to purchase products, and we're going to earn commissions from them. This is the revenue model. So if you want to work with me and you want to get signed up, with me, connect with me on Facebook. My link is down below. If you have any questions, call me or text me at 705-626-8060. Or if you're ready to sign up, click the Buy Now button below and we'll get the partnership agreement done after that. And you're going to earn revenue every month from me. I'm going to send you via PayPal or email money transfer or a bank transfer. I'm going to send you your share. Now, if I sell the app, I'm not going to sell it for anything less than $500,000. And I'm going to share the profits from the sale with you. So that would mean a $50,000 commission to you earned from selling the app. Even after we sell the app, I'm still going to email the list promoting affiliate products. So I'm still going to earn you commissions every month beyond 2016 into 2017, 2018, whatever. As long as there's products for sale on the internet, which I think they'll always will be, because they've been selling for as long as the internet was created. So you stand to make a lot of money with me with $1,000 investment. This is not a guarantee of income, but worst case scenario, we get 10,000 users, you get $1,000 a month. That's $11,000 in 2016 on $1,000 investment. You can't get that kind of ROI from a bank. If you invest $1,000 with them, they won't give you $11,000 during the year. So really, this is a no risk, low risk investment for you to make. And I'm going to get the app developed. It's going to take 2 weeks in January, probably a week to get approved in the Google Play and Apple App Store. And then we'll be live by the end of January, and we'll start earning commissions in February. and you'll likely receive your first payout at the beginning of March. When I receive my commissions from February, I'm gonna issue your payment to you right away. So starting in March, you get some money back from your $1,000 investment. This is a win-win solution. I don't have to spend any of my money to get the app created and the project going, the advertising. The 5 investors make this dream come a reality, and I look forward to working with you in 2016 and beyond. Thanks for taking the time to view my presentation.